the bone, a far somewhere forgotten, come back to old friends. You made it so far across the country, and that was just only one lonely piece of nothing, piece of nothing, piece of nothing, babe. We could rely on someone you were creating to send us over rubber and asphalt and dumbass books. You scream vocals in the cigarette smoke step gloves, and yeah, they were to go away. Why they were filled is concerning. Oh, but the questions will make up for themselves. Life in the radio was transmitted to nothing. There was nothing before, and there's nothing now. Imagining there's nothing else, so this is the game. There's only space between the mouth and the ears. And it's nothing like flying through the air. And it's all highly unlikely to even not to even see, be receiving this man-made creation. Be receiving this man-made creation. This man-made creation.
It's a classic within this house. All the unlikely rocks of dust. Everything can receive, but it takes brains to transmit it out of the ground to another side of the earth form into electronic carrying devices. Let her go. Some places special to us down the line. Bad carpet everywhere. Was it the architecture of the unusual? When it decayed enough to throw away, to be looked at as we got inside. When it dead.